see here two furnitures where actually they said this belong to the Luna family. So the round table and the chair at the corner. So all paintings here were reproductions. We have here the self-portrait of Juan Luna, the Ona Bolakenya, which is a mystery girl of Juan Luna, unnamed girl. So we have a very interesting painting also, the Tampuhan. So the most controversial painting from the GSIS, the Parisian Life. This one is connected to Revolution, Philippine Reform. This is a revolutionary painting of Juan Luna, actually a silver medal in 1904 St. Louis Exposition in the U.S. So this painting actually emphasizing or depicting the situation of the Philippines under Spanish rule. For these three guys at the background, these are national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, Dr. Alistan Bautista, and Juan Luna. So they were trying to having a message, talking about this girl. The girl was the main focal point of the painting because look at this, the details, the edge of the table, the chair, the coat of the guy, and the newspaper is pointing towards the girl. So let us see the details or the connection to the Philippine Reform. Just like this half full glass of the wine or the beverage drink by that girl. That's why she was a little bit tipsy. She said like this, an awkward position. So let's try to see the waistline of the girl. It's very tight. Then the color, the rounded color, it serves as a metal trooper. Then the line above the head that served as she was hung. Then after that, guy abandoned her. So those details actually related to what happened to the Philippines during that time. Just like this one, the half full glass, with this one is just like the gift of the Spaniards. That's why the girl drank it. It's just like a gift, but they have the motives. So the motive is to conquer the Philippines. So Spaniards conquered the Philippines. What they've done, because they formed government here, they suppress but color on the neck of the girl, and the girl, she was hung in the form of that rope, just like above the head of the girl. Then after that, abandonment. So Juan Luna was able to paint the Philippine archipelago in different form, and the girl itself actually the mirror image of our Philippine archipelago. So this is the correct position of the map. So this map, when we face it to the mirror, ang lalabas is the baliktad.
Let me see. Let me.
Yeah, that's
this one. So mirror image of the map of the Philippine archipelago.
The explanation parang the girl or the woman is hanged.
Yes.
Ka-DJ ko na, DJ.
So nakaganon po natin para makita nyo po.
Sige, sige. Wait, I cannot get it. Oh, alright, I can. Oh my goodness, exactly, yeah.
So this is the relevance of the Luna paintings to the Philippine Reform.
What is
So the former title of this painting is the Interior, the On Cafe. Then they changed it to Parisian Life.
Is that the original painting?
No, sir. Actually, the original painting located at GSIS Museum of Art in Manila.
Yes, sana yun sasabihin.
Yes, ma'am.
Very controversial.
Yeah.
Yes. So the GSIS, through Winston Garcia, the former president, used the funding $1 million to be able to purchase the original painting as Christie's Auction House in Hong Kong. Now, in that time, they were not able to give enough benefits or loans to the members. That's why he was questioned for that. And his reason is a national heritage, national treasure. It should be here in the Philippines. In 2010, GSIS planned to sell it again. So the price of that painting is now gone high and worth 230 million pesos, 5 times of the original acquired value of the painting. Actual size is 22 inches in height by 32 inches in length.
Okay, let's go.
It's made of kamagong wood. So, it's an atay bed. I called it atay bed because it was named to the carpenter who made that. Just like the atay bed in Sikaya Mansion, it's actually a symbol status where you can see what sort of living on those people who use those kinds of bed. So, authentic design of the atay is just like the vegetable, the squash. It was inverted. It's just like a girl's bed. If it is the position is upside, it's just like a crown. They said it's a male bed. We have here the tampiti, which is our luggage during that time. Almason, a furniture where we can put the pillow, and after that, above is the mat. Then the parador, the tumba-tumba or the rocking chair, the butaca, which is used as a resting chairs. Likely, it used also for delivering, giving birth. It used to be a pregnant woman gave birth inside the house. We have also the tocador or the dresser, the washing stand, wine container where we can put our locally called wine basi. So, portrait of Dr. Luna, a younger brother of Juan Luna, which is, they said this is the great-grandfather of the former First Lady, Imelda Marcos. So, we have here also a painting titled El Violinista. It is said to be, there is a connection to the career of the brother, which is the brother is a well-known violinist in Europe, where his fame were cut short, just like this a man with a violin with a broken cord or a broken string, where you can see in this part. So it's just like the career of the brother, the broken cord or the broken string that was cut, just like the career of the brother Manuel Luna. The house during that time designed now as a prayer room, just to emphasize that the family were religious during that time, where we can see two replicas of painting of Juan Luna of religious faces, just like the Immaculate Conception and Virgen Dolorosa. Juan Luna and the brother Manuel. So makikita po natin sa loob yung the status of the brother being a well-known violinist in Europe. So we have a painting of the brother Manuel here in this wall. During that time, it's actually used as a lavatory, social gathering place, and others. So typical house like this, it's an Antillean house, then it's an architectural design, a European architectural design, where this is the main entrance of the house, always facing the church during that time. So reproduction at the park, at the lagoon, where you can see very interesting painting, just like the Odalisca, which is a literary translation is Desirable Woman, where they use that painting. Actually, the name of that girl is Lina Munier, French girl. We have also that girl sleeping is actually the wife of Juan Luna, that is Paz Pardo de Tavera, depicting the early part of happy marriage of Juan Luna. So beside is the Battle of Lepanto, the naval war. It is personally commissioned by King Alfonso XII to Juan Luna in 1887. So that painting gave Juan Luna the opportunity to be a close friend of the royalties during that time. We have also the corner, the Sorprendidos or the Lupin. Then the El Palco or the balcony were used to be the place of those royalties seeing opera. Then the Festivalias, La Criada Catalana, Maids in the Kitchen, the Odalisca, the Old Model, just the Marquis. So that of Cleopatra is there. The first international, first recognition of Juan Luna being a painter. That painting gave Juan Luna the silver medal in 1881 National Exposition. So the original painting still in Bilbao, Spain. Juan Luna sold that for 100 silver pesos.